What do you need to know about boring tools? We're gonna tell ya. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at URMA. Where and why do you need boring tools? Well, there are many reasons. If you're a job shop, for example, you need a versatile tool and you need a lot of options to extend and shorten down your tool. Or you have many different diameters. This is something that can be covered very easily. So on the boring system, we offer 3 different interfaces. The Alpha, which is a threaded system. The other one is the Beta, which is a side lock system. And the third one is the Gamma, which has a cylindrical shank, which can be mounted in every tool holder. The diameter range that we offer on the URMA boring tools starts from 0.2 millimeters all the way up to 2.4 meters. Of course, there are fine boring options as well as roughing options, long bore options, and everything is equipped with ISO inserts. And the Intramax is a very versatile tool. You can do axial grooving, fine boring, also OD machining, roughing, finishing, and much more. The most recent product we have in the boring line is the VAS, the vibration absorbing system. You can use it with fine boring heads, with roughing heads, and you can even assemble shell mills or end mills on it. And we can reach up to 12 times the length diameter ratio. URMA stands for Swiss quality and high precision for more than 60 years.